Hi guys, this is Usama and today we are going to review a big machine, Toyota Prado TX model 2013, and this car is available in Kenya and it's very hot favorite machine in all over Kenya, and I will tell you why it's hot favorite, what is the price of this car, what specification it has, and hope so you really enjoyed this video because this car is more demandable and everyone looking for this car for to complete their own dreams. So let's start our review. This car has two type of bulbs. One, it has LED bulb, HD bulb, and second is hydrogen bulb, and here you can find the small side indicators. After that, if we saw the grill is very beautiful design and it is give us a very elegant look, such as the chrome plated material and the logo of the Toyota. So this car is provide the very elegant look to by this grill. After that, if you saw the bonnet of this car, it has two curves and it is totally wide, and it gives this car a sporty look, and you can say this car is like a prior machine for this only for this bonnet and this bumper, this grill look. If we talk about the bumper, it has a huge range because it has a big fog light here, and it starts from right to left and it around cover all the car and gives a very wider look to this car. And here is a down a small grill, and if we consider this grill is just for the air vent, and if we consider down here, so it has a very big space from the road, so if you drive this car on off-road side, so you cannot create any problem. This car will be working off-road very efficiently, and that's why this car has more demandable in all over the Kenya. If we talk about the fender, you see the fender has big range, it has a big space, big room from the tire, so this car cannot be stuck any off-road surface. So if we talk about the tire, it has a alloy wheel, aluminum alloy wheel, a star shape, and the tire. Oh, the joint of the tire is here. So if we move to this side, we have a gate, and this car has pretty simple door handles, and it doesn't have any chrome plated shape, but it provides a different shape here. It has a footstep, so if you can go there, so you can use this one to stand up here. If we talk about the side mirror, it has a LED bulb, so it car side mirror indicator. It is black, it is white and silver combination. So now we are talking about its trunk. Come, if we talk about the trunk of this car, so you found a big trunk because it is a big machine, so the trunk automatically is a big. If we start from the top, so here is a spoiler. If you push the brake, it's a top rear spoiler, so the light will be blinking and it gives a very pretty look. Down here there is a tinted back door, back glass, and if you see the lights, these are the lights create its beautiful look because it is differently designed, because most of the car has one light in which it has indicator and brake light, but this car has different light sections. The indicator, the brake light is different, the indicator light is different, and the indicator light has bigger range as compared to brake light, and it will give a very different and beautiful look. And this one is also continue with the curve of this corner, and after that you see there is a logo of the Toyota, and it also mention the name of Land Cruiser Prado in chrome plated. So it is a very decently managed by the Toyota. About the down bumper, so the bumper range is small because it has a big wider range from the surface, so it can give you a very strong grip when you are driving at off-road. It is a mean of creating the space only for driven in the off-road. So here you can find the back spoiler. The most beautiful thing of this trunk, which one I like, it's the opening of its trunk. So I'm going to show you how the trunk is open. It's not like, you see, this trunk is open in landscape, not in vertical shape. So that's why I like this trunk. So we are reviewing the engine of this car. So if we talk about the engine cc of this car is 2700, 4-cylinder inline DOHC, and this one is petrol, 6-speed super ECT, and this car is category SUV. And if we talk about its 4-wheel drive and 2700, and this it has around 9 km per liter. If I show you, this is the battery of this car, and this box is filled up with the fuses. It's not a single fuse, it has multiple fuses of this car. After that, it is the engine, and there is the oiling of this car. From transferring the oil, there is a belt, and here is the motor of this engine. So if we are talking about the steering wheel has a bigger size as compared to other cars, because this car need grip, because this car have to be a big steering, because it can be controlled easily. If there is a small steering, so it cannot be controlled properly. So that's why you see the steering size and other things. Here we found the cruise control, so you can manage your speed here if you are driving on long ride. If you talk about the steering, so there is a button of steering. So if you push this button, so you can manage your steering like this, up, down, and you see. So this is a function that it car has, so you can easily comfortable when you drive the car, because you can manage your steering. So here there is a 2 dial. One dial showing you the RPM. This dial is showing you the RPM, and this dial is showing you the speedometer. If I show you, here is a button, so you can increase and decrease the light of the speedometer. Below this button, you can find the audiometer button here, so you can check your audiometer from this button. So after that, if we talk about the cars, it has a push start button. So if I'm going to, this is a button, so if you are going to close this, just push the brake and there is a green light, and now you push this button, so the car has been started. Here we start with the dashboard features. First of all, you found the air vent, so you can manage your air vent from both sides with this rulers, so you can found the air vent from here. After that, there is a hazard for this car, so you can use this button as a hazard. Here is a screen, so this car has every screen as compared to other cars, and this radio will be work if you put the card inside. If we go down, so here you found the climate control AC, and it can be managed from both buttons. And this button is these are the buttons for increase the fan. This one is for use for off fan of the fan. This one is for use AC. This one for dual AC if you want to use dual system. Either we are going to down here, so here you found a space, a storage to manage something. So if we talk about these buttons, if I switch on the light, so you see these buttons are turned into green, and here you can use the big lights, the main headlights, and if you use this one, so hydrogen bulb, you can use this, okay. And if we switch off the light, so you see these lights are closed, because this function is related to the headlights. If we are talking about this button, so if you open this space, you can find 2 cup holder, and beyond this there is a gear handle. Here you found this one is parking, add-on parking, reverse, neutral, D1, D2 and L. So these are the function of this gear system, and here you can go back to parking space. we also found a simple plain space. So here you can found a for the charging the your phone. So if we talk about the armrest, you see these are the armrest, and if we open this one, front, back, if we open this one like this, so here there is a division of the console. So if we open this one, there is a space for your whole major things you can put here, and you can divide this like here. So this one is very specifically designed, and if you close all, so you can also use as a armrest, so it can be movable like front, back. So here we are reviewing to the passenger seats for this car Prado TX. And if we talk about the AC vent, the back AC vent, rear AC vent is available for the passenger, so passenger can easily comfortable in that one. After that, we see there is also a charging dock, so the passenger can easily charge the phone. If we talk about the seats, you see the seats is movable and they can be adjustable like this, and it also has a room from the legs and the head, so 3 passenger can easily sit inside and easily enjoy the long ride. If we talk about this armrest, you can also use as armrest, but it has a multi-function. If you push this button, you can also get here 2 cup holders. It has a complete package for the passenger as well to sit inside and drive and enjoy the long drive. So now we are here to review the trunk of this car, and this trunk you can found a very specifical from the different from the other cars, because it has a wide trunk, but it also has a 7-seater. So how we manage the seats with the children and the trunk, I will show you. First, it has a seat, so if you push these seats like that, so here is a space for someone to sit inside. Okay, this seat is also working like a similar. But if you do it like this, so here you found the 2 cup for the children you put here. After that, if you don't have a children and you go for a with big luggage, so you push these seats like that. This is the first function. You also push this seat down like this and increase your luggage range. So now you see we are reviewing all over the aspect of this car, and you see exterior, interior, and every type of function of this car. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and for the latest updates. So we shall meet in the next video. Good day.